continue for the next one, so part 3. Within the module, we will do the default value within the perimeter. So that is the thing is we can set a specific combination of value for wheel module perimeter as default. This can be achieved through this way. So let's close this part and save this one. So now is the part 3. Let's see with perimeter and default value. So we will have this one. So first we have this to make sure this can be running fast. Let's comment the first two. So now it even looks a little ugly, but it can help you with make the speed good enough. Then in the last step, you can make this back. And then we have our modules here, and you see when we call this module running, we need to set the value, but we can set default value here. So we set this wheel radius is 10. The side sphere radius is 50, hub thickness 4, and the cylinder radius 2. Then what you need to do is let's comment this. Maybe we can just delete this. See, if we don't call this module, it will show nothing. Can make this a little lower. And now let's call. When I call this module, I can have this just blank in the perimeter. That gave you just a simpler way, because you gave our default value here. You don't need to repeat this if you just accept the default value. If the default value is not specified when calling the wheel, the default value for this perimeter is used. So that is the thing. So let's put this as the comments. The default value can be set equal to the most used version of the wheel. So we use the most the generic wheel's dimension as the default, and default value can be overwritten by assigned or new value. So let be. So we will not having this one. Now let's have a wheel. Let's say we want that the hub thickness is the better double. So hub thickness not 4, we give 8. So now it's only change these perimeters value. So let's see. Now you get our second one. So it should be like this one. So let's comment this. So if we see not only the thickness is 8, and also the radius is getting bigger. So now you have this one. Let's see. We have wheel radius 10. Now let's give 15 to see what's this bigger one. So we can make that quite big. And the exercises include the default value in the definition on the wheel. The wheel module try create a fill wheel by overriding any number of default value. Can you make a wheel that looks like the following? So this, let's see. So how that looks like. So side sphere radius. It looks like it's the another those invisible sphere is a little smaller. So let's see. So first is this half thickness is, let's see, so half thickness, let's keep the wheel radius is same, side spheres radius, not 50, let's make that 30. And let's see the first effect. So that make is not so difference. Side spheres radius 20. Completion. So we got our arrow. So let's see what's the arrow. Variable side spheres radius not specified as a parameter. So side spheres radius. Side spheres radius. Is this one? This one? Let me see, is any typo? No. Side spheres radius. Oh, it's let me see the radius RA. So I put this RE. So now you know here, but it's not like some the IDE. You don't have those highlight, so it's not easy. Directly you get those change. So let's make this thickness thickness not 4. Let's use 8. It just looks similar. And then make this cylinder radius also bigger. Three. Oh, too big. 2.5. And then make this smaller as well. And make this even long, thicker. This looks a little similar, so let's uncomment this. Oh. Looks like it's we don't need to change this cylinder. So cylinder is similar. So you can see you may almost look at the similar things, adjust a little bit. Let's just have a look on here. So side radius 10. So that is our guess is like this, but let's see. So what's that mean? This is 10. What's the difference? Side radius. Oh, so that is looks more the closer to this. But if you keep guessing this one, you can also get our similar things. So that is the way is if you look at our shape, if you try to guess, you can only go to the most the closer the value. But bear in mind is when you have this parameterize those variables and you give the default value, then it gives you more easier to control and customize your the objects. So thank you for watching this one. Next one is we will back to our car model to do the adding the module into this model. Thank you.